In this video, I'll be showing you how to unhide pages in the navigation menu in Google Site. So, let's get started. Right now, the shop page in this Google site is hidden from the navigation menu. It still exists on the website, but visitors cannot see it in the menu section. So let's see how to make the page visible again. Now, this is how the website looks in editor mode in Google Sites. Here, go to the Pages section on the right side of the screen. Just click on the Pages tab. Here, you'll see all the pages that are currently added to your Google site. First, here inside the Pages section, you can see that the shop page is still available. But if we look at the navigation menu, the page is not showing there. To unhide the page, we need to select the page first. Then, click the three-dot menu beside that page. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this list, click on the Show in Navigation option. And that's it. Now the page becomes visible again in the navigation menu inside the editor. After making the changes, don't forget to click the Publish button so the changes are saved and updated on the live website. Next, let's confirm that the page is also visible on the live website. So I'll open the site in the browser and check the result. And here you can see the shop page is now visible in the navigation menu on the live site as well. That's how you can quickly unhide pages in Google Sites. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.